Hey,
Call it like this is the house.
Coco.
Okay.
Coco. Oh, get the installation up down tomorrow. Come on, Coco the Yerky. Come here. Come tell the people hi on YouTube. Hey, Coco the Yerky. Tell the people hi on YouTube. Hi, Coco. I got installation on me. Look at the camera, look. Hey. All right. I got a few possible issues. And one is this conduit. So this conduit right here goes behind the wall. And so what I did was I sliced open stuff, some insulation on one side and one on the other. But it makes this stick out. So when they put the insulation on there, hopefully it compresses in. If not, I just take off this front layer and just have it on the back layer. So let's put it up. See how I got it nice and clean as I work? Now that's how you work, people. You gotta have it nice and clean when you work. So the other ones I kind of cut around. And so what I did was I took all the pieces, laid them out on the floor. And when I laid them out on the floor, I cut them all 105 inches. And after I cut them all 105 inches, I laid them up against the studs. And when I had enough cuts all the way down the wall, I then uprighted them. Like these are upright, but they're not stapled in. So now what I'm doing is I'm going back, opening up this flap. Which is flap is used to staple to the studs. And I'm going back, stapling it to the stud. Just that simple. Yep, that's all. So I'm just gonna do this one wall now. Come back, finish up the small areas above and below the windows using the extra pieces that was in that installation. I think I used 5 bags on it. 5 bags on it. So that means I'll probably use 5 bags on the other wall. But there's more windows on the other wall. Then I'll go upstairs. Then I do the front and the back wall. Nice, isn't it? Oh, it's gonna hold back, son. Cause I threw it in the yard next door. Oh, I didn't see that yesterday. Oh, okay. I overlooked that yesterday. I gotta possibly get those portions changed out by the electrician. Careful. Alright, see you later. Thank you for visiting. Check my YouTube channel out. Ay. Where's the Ricardo? And the sounds of Ricardo. Yeah. I got those electrical videos out. Thank you. All right, you all, there you have it. So I got the first wall almost complete. If you notice, above the windows and below the windows, I'm gonna come back and get that. This part right here, I'm actually gonna wait because I may get my electrical move with a different layout. I'm gonna cut a little spot for this area right here. I'm gonna go above the windows here and actually right there. And then I'm gonna actually go below the window there and here. So there you have it, you all. I am using R13 Craft Face, meaning it has the paper on it, insulation that serves as a vapor barrier. Here's the extra that I'm going to use. I use about 5 of these rolls for that wall. So you all like, share, comment, subscribe, and get ready for the next one.